Hello, friends. How are you? Hope you're good. I came across one article and there was a mention of bad bosses. It was written by some senior authority, and I saw many comments from juniors, so called freshers. The comments were a kind of funny. Okay, when do you call a person bad? Any person bad? Remember, a person who is bad for you may be a hero for someone. For example, we have our army men. They are heroes for us, but they are bad for our rivals. Okay. So a person can only be bad by your perspective. He's not actually bad. The bad is your perspective. Tell me, what is the what is your need as a fresher when you join a fresh career, when you join office? What is the need? What, do you need comfort? I don't believe I don't think so because at early stages of your career, when you're a fresher, you would never want comfort because if you get that comfort at the early stages, you'll never grow. Why do we run from challenges? My question. Why do we always seek that comfort? Why? You know what is comfort? Comfort is when someone pampers your body, takes you for a ride, hails you. You know when this happens? When you're dead. When you're dead, you are taken care of. The body is taken care of. They will hail you. They will hail your name. They will take you away on their arms, on their shoulders. You want that kind of comfort? I think no one wants that. So life is always about challenges, not comfort. Why do we run away from challenges, calling it bad? The boss that you call bad, it is just your way of running away from challenges. Accept them as challenges. Don't call them bad. They are not bad. In fact, they are preparing you for the worst conditions. Imagine your mental toughness when you have to do something, some work, when you have to manage a lot of things against your own will, but still you do it with flying colors. So, is it good or bad for you? Are this kind of bosses good or bad? They are good, right? Because they are training you for the worst. The more you are in the vicious environment, vicious corporate culture, you call it vicious, I call it challenging, the more you grow. Don't run away from challenge. Calling a person bad is just like running away from challenges. Take it as a challenge. Don't call him bad boss. Call him a challenging senior. Take it as a challenge. Try to solve the challenge. I am sure if I assure you, if you are able to solve this challenge, you will be able to solve any challenge in life. So we have two options here. Either you call a person as bad boss and run away, or you call him as challenging and try to solve the challenge. Option is yours. Take a call. See you in next video.